Hi guys, welcome to Textbook Regulatory channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss your cutoff, prelims and mains. What was the cutoff for your last paper 2025 RBI Grade B exam, and how do you maximize your score? So upcoming for your upcoming prelims exam, which is going to be really soon, how do you maximize, right? Now we know we are expecting the notification in just a few days. So here we are. First, understand cutoff is dependent on various factors, right? Now you will see there is no, you can say, a fixed trend. I was just checking all the past years cutoff, and it is actually very irregular, right? For example, 3 years back, if I see, the cutoffs were very high. This time, last 2025 paper was pretty difficult. So it depends on your difficulty level, what will be the cutoff, what are the number of vacancies, number of people who are appearing for the exam, then performance of the candidates, select sectional cutoffs. So there are a lot of factors on which this cutoff depends. So if I check the cutoff for phase 1 and phase 2, let us check it category wise for 2025. You will see here um, overall total score cutoffs category wise. If you see GA general category 24, reasoning 18, English 9, quant 9, overall 77.50 for general, 64.75 EWS, or 69 OBC, 65 SC and 64.75 ST category. So if you notice, see, the more the difficult paper, huh, the higher the cutoff. So this is a trend. This time what I've heard is definitely it was a tough paper. It was not a very easy paper, grade B paper. Even phase 1, if I say, usually it is easy to moderate level, not never easy, moderate level. This time it was moderate to difficult, if I have to talk about the range particularly. Okay, so yeah, phase 1 cutoffs are somehow like these. Right, now coming to your phase 2. Phase 2, which is your paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 for descriptive, okay, online descriptive paper, right? Out of 300 marks, general category it was 171.50, which is a lot. EWS 163.75, OBC 164.25, then we have SC 157.75, then we have ST category 155.50, right? PWBD also you can check BCD categories here. This is out of 300 marks which I am discussing, stage phase 2 cutoff. And interview were marks were added, right? 75 marks, 75 out of 375, they add the interview also, the final one. Out of 375, 230.75 is the cutoff, as you can see, for general unreserved category, right? And here we have 199.75 for EWS, 218 for OBC, 216 for SC category, 210 for ST category, right? So these are your overall cutoffs for both prelims and mains exam. Now you know that here you have 200 paper, highest weightage is definitely GA, then you have quant and English for 30 marks, reasoning 60 marks. How you will manage? This is your mains, okay, for 300. How do you score maximum, right? In phase 1, what to do? Now I would suggest that maximize your score from English section if you work hard on it, and from your reasoning. These are two sections where usually people can take a lead. See, GA is pretty risky, if I say, unpredictable, risky. You may study very, very hard for GA, but there might be questions where you get stuck, right? So you cannot, even after looking at the paper only, you understand whether this year's GA is scoring or no. So overall, if you want to actually score maximum, firstly, focus on sections which can give you a lead. You think that even quant, for example, quant, if they ask tough, it is tough for everybody. It can be difficult for everybody. So I would suggest you which sections, usually what students give the review is these two sections can give you the lead. English and reasoning you should master. Next step is focus on the strong, you can say, high weightage topics, high weightage topics. Now, high weightage topics in each section, okay, you know, after analysis of the previous year papers, you can actually get a trend. What are the high weightage topics? For example, in English, I can tell you it's reading comprehension firstly and your error. So that itself will constitute out of 30, 15 marks. So focus there. Then third part is, of course, each you can say high weightage topic. Then the third part is focus on your strengths. Yeah, one topic if you pick up, at least make sure that whatever level you get from that topic, you are able to attempt it. Okay, don't worry about the part which you find tough, because when the time is limited, work on your strengths. Okay, focus on your strengths. Try to, of course, clear your doubts regarding or read the concepts regarding what you do not know, but still for the exam, I would say whatever topic you pick, you have to be a master of it, right? So that you can score and with confidence in that particular topic in each section. So this should be your strategy. Now the sections that can give you an edge, of course, I feel English, reasoning. Quant can be sometimes very tricky in exams. Reasoning, sometimes you can score. You have to work on your speed part, particularly puzzles. Even for English, I would say at least you know that RC and errors are fixed, this much number I can get from it. So practice more of that. So little, you can say, strategy, study based on strategy. Make a strategy. Do the past previous year papers analysis. You will get an idea what is the level of questions and where can I actually score, and then make your own strategy, right? That is the best part. Now, of course, we will be helping you. We are starting with a new course, you know that, and we are giving you discount for grade B 6 months course. It will be 5499 on my coupon code Harshita. This is career champion discount. So become the champion of your career. This is grade B 5499 for 6 months. If you want to buy the super pass in which all your exams are covered, RBI grade B, NABARD, all regulatory exams, then you can take this 6 month super pack also. So we are starting with our winners batch, which is our new foundation booster batch. You will get revision classes, study plan, monthly magazines for GSEA. You will get your financial special PIB mentorship program, and also for phase 2. This is a complete course. Whenever on textbook you buy anything, it is full complete till your interview round. Also, guys, if you want the master kit, there is a link given in the description which you can check and fill for PDFs, for papers. If you want all this PDFs, papers, ebooks, please fill in the details. So one more thing, I have done a previous year paper, and you will see many videos, upcoming videos also. Do check this out to just understand what is the level of the exam. Do the previous year papers, and here we are. You will also find the link of the super pass in the description. So any course that you have to check, you can come here and check. You will get mocks also, test also, everything here. Descriptive interface is also included. So you have 6 months, 12 months, 24 months pack. You can use Get Regulator Harshita coupon code here. In apply coupon, you can use my name for discount, right? Any other doubts, let me know. This time, of course, 25 paper was actually very tough, difficult. We were expecting a moderate exam, but it was difficult. Let's see what will happen this time. But usually most of the sections are in this range, only moderate to difficult. That is the level you have to practice for your exams. So see you in the classes for your RBI grade B. Though the time is limited, at least with class you will have a routine and we can prepare well. Okay, thank you.